Hello and welcome back to Cabin Organic. Today we're going to show you just how easy it is to make your own culinary oils and vinegars. Making your own oils and vinegars is quick, easy, and they look beautiful, so they're great as gifts or to keep on display on your kitchen counter. It's easy to find some recipes for oils and vinegars online. I have a few on my Cabin Organic blog and I've put the link below. Once you've made your own oils and vinegars, you'll begin to see just how easy it is and that you actually don't even need a recipe. It's as simple as taking your favorite flavors, putting them in an oil or a vinegar, allowing them to sit for a period of time, and then enjoying the results. In this picture you can see I've got a rosemary and garlic oil, I've got a tarragon vinegar, and then I've got a rosemary vinegar, and the red vinegar beside it is just a very simple raspberry vinaigrette in white wine vinegar. In this next photo you can see I've made a basil vinegar in some white wine vinegar, and I've also made a basil oil and a nettle oil made from stinging nettle. I highly encourage you to use whatever you have on hand in your garden. So for instance here, if you've got a bunch of basil that's just ready, or some sage, or some chives, I highly encourage you to use what you have on hand, especially if it's coming from your garden. This is going to make the oils and vinegars taste so much better, knowing that you grew it yourself, or your neighbor or your friend. But just having that personal connection to the plant will really help you enjoy it more. I also like to make fruit vinegars, and I often make just a plain light raspberry vinegar, and I will use about a quarter of whatever container I'm using, whatever glass jar I'm using. I'll fill it a quarter of the way with raspberries, and I'll mash up the raspberries, and then I'll just top up the jar with a white wine vinegar, or you can use a red wine vinegar. Just this past summer, I also had the idea from a good neighbor of ours who made a raspberry vinegar in a balsamic vinegar. And the ratios are the same. Use about a quarter of your glass container of mashed up raspberries and then fill the rest of the jar with balsamic vinegar. Let it sit for about a good month. You can even let it sit longer if you'd like. But oh my goodness, this is the most succulent, fruity, robust vinegar that you've ever had. Once the raspberries have sat for 4 weeks or a little bit more, you'll want to filter this through a coffee filter and just have the liquid, and then store that in a separate jar. I included a few of these shots because I wanted to show you how I also involve my little boy Chayton in all of my herbal and kitchen adventures. So here we are on a very clean kitchen floor, mashing some herbs and getting them ready for infusions. Having your own culinary oils and vinegars on hand makes your cooking so much more flavorful, whether it's a simple salad or a salsa, a nice tomato with bocconcini, some lovely garlicky herbal oil on your morning frittata, or use some lovely basil and oregano oil on your pizzas. These oils are so pretty and they're so flavorful that they make excellent gifts for all of your friends and family as well. So I encourage you to peek at some of the recipes on the link I have below to my blog, but also just look at some of your own cookbooks and you will see that you have your own oil and vinegar recipes, and they are ultra simple. You know, it truly is as simple as putting a few sprigs of a herb into a little jar of oil or some vinegar, letting it sit. Oils usually sit for about a week, vinegars for about a month. You can have them longer if you like, or shorter if you just can't wait, but that's how easy it is to make your own oils and vinegars. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you were inspired to try your own culinary oils and vinegars. Please subscribe for more videos by Cabinorganic.